Mahindra revealed its most awaited SUV for the Indian market, Mahindra XUV700. The XUV700 will start at Rs 11.99 lakh ex-showroom and is offered in two main variants and four trim options. The new Mahindra XUV700 SUV will be offered in diesel and petrol engine options with optional all-wheel drive system. Mahindra XUV700 pricing starts from Rs 11.99 lakh for the base MX petrol variant, which goes up to Rs 14.99 lakh for AX5 petrol variant. The sensuous and sophisticated exterior of the XUV700 presents an extremely aerodynamic design for an SUV. The authentic SUV stance and the wide track hints at performance ably supported by the overall vehicle dynamic. Similarly, the large grille is meant to send as much as air to cool the engine while paying homage to classic XUV family cues. Conventional door handles had to give way to invisible smart door handles, a first in segment by XUV700. Although the roofline looks like it is sloping down, it is actually the clever body paneling that gives a sloping roofline effect from the exterior. The highlight of the XUV700's side profile has to be the new dual-tone multi-spoke 18-inch alloy wheel. The rear of the new SUV has undergone a more substantial restyling steering with a larger tail lamp. The new split tail lamps wraps around the rear fender and is of a boomerang shape. The rear bumper features Fox skid plates and reflectors as well. Other exterior features include roof rails, shark fin antenna and an integrated roof spoiler among others. The XUV700 also gets flush door handles, which adds to the overall premium exterior design of the SUV. The XUV700 interior is all about achieving harmony through contrast, so it is not a surprise that you will find buffed chrome coexist with polished black surfaces. The seamless twin 10.25-inch floating display screen that replaces the conventional cluster with binnacles. These screens are powered by Adrenox, which is the best in the business for UI design. Light shades of the upholstery and the panoramic sunroof makes the interior feel spacious and calm. Seats are engineered to provide supreme comfort over short and long distances. Superior surfaces and textures lend the XUV700 an inimitably luxurious ambience. State-of-art smart filter technology VR LED ensures clear and pure air for the occupant, eliminating odor, dust, microallergens and pathogens. The interiors and its features vary depending on its variant. Enhancing the feel inside the cabin is a premium sound system from Sony. The audio system setup includes a 13-channel DSP amplifier, 12 custom-designed speakers including subwoofer and Sony's sound building blocks. 360 spatial sound technology. The total audio output is rated at 445 watts. Other features: Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa enabled over 60 connected features, eSIM based connected technology, voice assistant, ambient lighting, dual zone climate control, second and third row AC vents and air purifier. The XUV700 is offered in multiple engine and transmission options. Mahindra is also offering the new SUV with an optional all-wheel drive system catering to off-road enthusiast buyers. 2.0-liter turbo petrol, maximum power 198 bhp, peak torque 380 Nm, transmission 6-speed manual transmission or 6-speed automatic transmission, 0 to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds, top speed 200 km per hour. And for 2.2-liter turbo diesel, maximum power 183 bhp and peak torque 420 Nm manual transmission, peak torque 450 Nm automatic transmission, 6MT or 680. The XUV700 also features several drive modes as well. These include Zip, Zap, Zoom and Custom. Once launched, the XUV700 will rival the Hyundai Alcazar, MG Hector Plus and Tata Safari. Do let us know in the comment section your views about Mahindra's XUV700 and also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives. MG Motors is all set to launch another SUV in the Indian market. MG Motor India today unveiled the industry-first personal AI assistant and first-in-segment autonomous Level 2 technology to be featured in the upcoming mid-size SUV Astor. MG aims to further its auto tech focus by building on the concept of car as a platform of possibilities and services. MG is working on emerging technologies like artificial intelligence to enable the development and application of services and subscriptions to support the on-demand in-car needs of the customers. Astor is the first car to get a personal AI assistant in the company's global portfolio. The personal AI assistant is designed by the acclaimed American firm Star Design. It depicts human-like emotions and voices and can give detailed information on every topic through Wikipedia. It will engage with people in the car and is powered by iSmart Hub. It is a platform on which the partnerships, services and subscriptions of CAP will reside. It will allow customers to personalize their set of services. The autonomous Level 2 MG Astor is powered by mid-range radars and a multi-purpose camera that can realize a series of advanced driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistant, lane departure warning, intelligent headlamp control, IHC, rear driver assist, and speed assist system amongst others. These functions can significantly improve driving safety and comfort, and they have been further optimized for Indian traffic conditions. For the first time in India, MG recently showcased CAAP with endless possibilities, building an ecosystem of various in-car services. It hosts subscriptions and services including maps and navigation with Map My India. Geo connectivity, the first of its kind blockchain protected vehicle digital password by Coin Earth, and more. MG car owners will also get access to music on the Jio7 app along with the industry first features of reserving a parking slot through a head unit powered by Park Plus select cities to begin with in the car. CAP will create various possibilities which will evolve with time, creating a safer and smarter driving experience. Talking about this new mid-size SUV, Astor gets all-new bold celestial grille that is inspired by cosmic lines and forms which adds dynamism to the front of the car. The radial pattern concentrates the epicenter of the entire front face. The tungsten steel electroplated material forms a distinct appearance like the sun. The contrast of light and dark further highlights the three-dimensional effect of each flashing cell. The British automaker also revealed the unique dual-tone Shangri-La red interior of Astor, which is one of the three interior themes signifying state-of-the-art craftsmanship. So guys, do let us know in the comment section what do you feel about this MG's Astor SUV with India's first personal artificial intelligence assistant and first in segment autonomous level 2 technology.
Ola is set to revolutionize the Indian market by introducing its electric scooter with loaded features. Ola has finally launched its much awaited electric scooter in the Indian market. Ola S1 Electric launches the S series electric scooter range at Rs 99,999 ex showroom starting price. The scooter is available in 2 variants and 10 color schemes. Pricing is really competitive compared to other existing electric scooters available in the market. Deliveries will begin in October. Pricing for S1 is Rs 99,999. For S1 Pro, it's Rs 1.29 lakh. The company is also offering finance schemes with attractive EMI schemes starting from Rs 2,999 per month, which will make it affordable to customers. For some states, pricing may vary depending on the FAME subsidy. Ola has given the electric scooter a simple looking front apron with the Ola badge in the middle. The only other distinctive feature on the front of the scooter is the headlamps cluster that features a twin pod LED setup surrounded by LED DRLs. Ola S1 is offered in 5 color options while the S1 Pro is offered in 10 colors from the company. Ola scooter comes loaded with features includes horizontally mounted LED tail lamps, LED turn indicators, rear footrest integrated into the bodywork, contoured seats, alloy wheels, 36-liter under-seat storage, rear grab rails, front storage pockets, luggage hook. The electric scooter is powered by an 8.5 kW electric motor paired with a 3.92 kW lithium-ion battery pack, which is not removable. This provides a maximum claimed riding range of 181 km. Ola S1 performance 0 to 40 km per hour in 3.6 seconds, 0 to 60 km per hour in 7 seconds, top speed 90 km per hour. Ride modes normal, sports, fast charging 75 km in 18 minutes, battery capacity 2.98 kW, range 121 km. Ola S1 Pro performance 0 to 40 km per hour in 3 seconds, 0 to 60 km per hour in 7 seconds, top speed 115 km per hour. Ride modes normal, sports, hyper. Fast charging 75 km in 18 minutes, battery capacity 3.97 kW, range 181 km. The onboard charger takes 7 hours for a complete charge. The company also claims that a 0 to 100% charge for the electric scooter would take around 60 minutes. However, 18 minutes of charging will juice the battery to 50% and provides a range of around 75 kilometers, that is for fast charging. Talking about the technology, the upcoming electric scooter is expected to feature connected smart mobility. The integration could use a large 7-inch TFT touchscreen and shatterproof screen for the instrument console, which features eSIM internet connectivity. This will make life easier for the riders. The S1 also features 4 various modes for the sound and the instrument cluster graphics of the electric scooter: bold,
Care, Vintage, Wonder and Custom. A lot of customers pre-registered for the scooter for only Rs 499 can get their scooters available from September. Deliveries of the scooter will start in October in 1000 cities. Ola Electric might look to sell the electric scooter without having a physical dealership model.
Tata Motors launched its another electric vehicle for the Indian market. Tata's Nexon is already doing well in the electric vehicle segment, and since for the future sustainability, Tata Motors wants to venture more cars in the particular segment. The company will be launching the Tigor EV on August 31st, 2021. Bookings for the Tigor EV are being accepted at select dealerships for a token amount of Rs 21,000 across the country. Post the launch of Tata Nexon EV, Tata Tigor EV will be the brand's second electric vehicle with enhanced range and fast charging technology. The 2021 Tigor EV specs have been improved by the inclusion of the Ziptron powertrain. The specifications are as follows: electric motor 55 kW, battery pack 26 kW, battery type lithium ion, peak torque 170 Nm, acceleration 5.7 seconds, range expected 250 km, fast charging time 1 hour 0 to 80%, normal charging time 8.5 hours 0 to 100%. Talking about interiors, the new Tigor EV could be revamped with new upholstery with contrast stitching on the seats, dashboard and door panels. It could also feature colored accents, match the exterior, giving the cabin a modern look. The Tigor EV will also undergo a host of changes in terms of exteriors. It will most likely carry over all the exterior design changes made to the Express T model. The Tata Tigor EV sedan will continue to come with other features such as touchscreen infotainment system, semi-digital instrument cluster, climate control, IRA connected technology, 30 plus connected features, mobile charging ports, rear AC vents, steering mounted controls, cruise control, and 316-liter boot space. Regarding the warranty, the company is offering an IP67 rated battery pack. The company is also offering an 8-year and 1,60,000 kilometers battery warranty. The pricing is not yet out. It is speculated that the pricing will be very competitive to attract the customers towards the new EV. Do let us know in the comment section what will be the pricing range for the newly unveiled Tata Tigor EV Ziptron. And also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.
Honda Two Wheelers India is back with another exciting offering for the Indian market, which is an adventure tourer. Honda Two Wheelers India launched the CB200X at Rs 1.44 lakh ex-showroom India. The company has announced that it will start accepting bookings offline and online ahead of its launch for the token amount of Rs 2,000. Color options available of Honda CB200X are as follows: Pearl Night Star Black, Matte Celine Silver Metallic and Sports Red. The CB200X comes in the adventure tourer segment. The company has given it a tall windscreen, which is the popular trait in an adventure tourer bike. Some other features are as follows: LED headlamps, LED tail lamps, knuckle guards, split seats, raised handlebar, hazard switch, upswept exhaust and engine cowl. The motorcycle features a negative LCD display giving the rider a host of information. The ignition key is also placed on the tank for a more ergonomic design. The CB200X comes powered by a 184cc single-cylinder engine paired with a standard 5-speed gearbox. Maximum power 17 bhp at 8500 rpm and peak torque 16.1 Nm at 6000 rpm. In terms of electronic rider aids, the CB200X features just the dual-channel ABS. The motorcycle continues to use the diamond type frame, which gives the adventure tourer a stable ride on straight roads and in corners as well. The company is offering the CB200X with a 6-year warranty package, which includes 3 years standard plus 3 years optional extended warranty. The motorcycle will be sold at regular Red Wing Honda showrooms across the country. Honda has finally launched the entry-level adventure tourer, which will definitely attract all the adventure bike enthusiasts. Hero Xpulse 200T is the only direct competitor in this segment. What are your thoughts? Do let us know in the comment section.